is crying? Don't have time to take care of children at work? Nobody does housework? Hi! The best mom can help you. From the best mother in the world. Make your childcare life more convenient. They are teachers, chefs, doctors, and even scientists. Haha, kidding. Best mother protects children in all aspects. Please rest assured that they will supervise the children's regular rest and study. Educate children to be outstanding. But make sure your children stay obedient. Sometimes due to system failure, they will become nagwon.
The Best Mom service is committed to serving every customer. Buy more quickly.